Computer manufacturing refers to the process of creating the physical devices that run software and store data. This involves various stages, including sourcing raw materials, assembling components, and testing final products. These processes are complex, not only due to the nature of the technology itself, but also due to the environmental impact of the materials and energy used in this process. An example of the environmental impact of computer manufacturing is the use of rare earth elements. These materials are crucial for making components such as screens, magnets, and batteries. Mining these elements often causes significant environmental harm, including soil erosion and water contamination, which negatively affects nearby ecosystems and human communities. This topic relates to sustainability, as it demands careful consideration of how resources are used and reused. It also connects to environmental issues because many different stages in the production process can lead to pollution and waste. In the realm of information technology, manufacturing underlies all other aspects of computing, since it impacts the availability and performance of the digital devices that are central to modern life around the world. The computer manufacturing industry provides an example of how business strategies can influence environmental outcomes. Some companies are adopting circular economy models, where computers are designed for easier disassembly and parts are reused or recycled. For instance, firms are implementing take-back programs, encouraging customers to return old devices, which are then refurbished or dismantled to recover valuable materials. These approaches aim to close the loop of product life cycles, minimizing waste and reducing the need for mining new raw materials. From a business perspective, computer manufacturing intersects with supply chain management, corporate social responsibility, and innovation. Effective supply chain management can reduce costs and enhance resource efficiency by sourcing materials sustainably. Corporate social responsibility initiatives can strengthen brand reputation and customer loyalty, particularly as consumers become more environmentally conscious. Finally, innovation in design and manufacturing processes not only drives business growth, but may also align with ecological sustainability.